Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Grand Cache Advance app crashing the second you tap the icon or closing itself before it even loads? Here's a fix. First, swipe up and force close the Grand app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your Settings app, then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and check your free space since the app crashes on launch far more often when the storage is critically low. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps if the storage is tight. If the storage looks critically low, then do that. Now, if the storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold on the Grand app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, Delete App, then tap Delete to fully uninstall it. Go to the App Store and reinstall it completely fresh from there. Go to Search and search for the Grand app and tap on it and then tap Get to reinstall it. After reinstalling it, go to the App Settings app, go back, go to Software Update, and then make sure that your iOS is current and install any pending iOS update since crash reports are far more often common on outdated iOS versions. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall it fresh from App Store, update iOS, Grand opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Grand Cache advanced fixes.